When people ask, what is Illuminate Manufacturing Intelligence and how can it help me? Our engineers like to say, it's a connected factory floor management system solution for your manufacturing environment that can help you decrease cost, increase throughput, and improve quality. Through powerful yet simple-to-use reporting and diagnostics, Illuminate Manufacturing Intelligence will allow you to quickly pinpoint equipment areas causing lost productivity and contributing to waste, so that you can start addressing them immediately. Illuminate Manufacturing Intelligence is a modular system that can be scaled and expanded to provide additional value insight into your system performance. For example, the debug camera system can be mounted where required and triggered to capture high-speed video footage of machine faults. Our predictive maintenance module tracks baseline cycle time performance of station motions and provides a predictive alert if actuation times begin to deteriorate over time, drift outside of norms, or are suddenly abnormal, all without any additional sensors. Our system can be configured to monitor multiple lines in multiple locations to show performance variances. Illuminate Manufacturing Intelligence helps your organization focus their efforts in the right areas to bring superior productivity to your manufacturing systems. From data to decision in minutes.